In the SRC Cup, students aged 12 to 18 take the roles of STEM professionals working in a year-long motorsport industry simulation where students run and race their own motorsport team. Over the course of a year, teams build real-life skills, working together to not only build a high-performance RC race car, but fund it with real sponsor money, build a real following through social media, and upgrade it from real performance data. They design, develop, test, and iterate with months of development backed by our self-paced online education program. Halfway through the academic year, the racing begins. Schools travel to local events where they experience race days. Drivers drive their team's car to victory, whilst engineers collect data and make modifications. Our mock interview system questions teams on their decisions, forcing them to think through every move and problem solve under pressure. In the summer, the top teams race at Wilton Mill for one last time, with tickets to Silverstone International as the final prize. Beyond trophies, students gain real experience. Engineering, teamwork, communication, entrepreneurship, and performance under pressure. Valuable skills that prepare them for their career. By the end, it is not just a project, it is a motorsport championship, built for education, driven by competition, and designed for what comes next. Sign up today at srccup.co.uk and redefine STEM education. Financial support may be available. Register before the 20th of July.